Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with another day of Vlogmas 2021. So today is December 12th. It's actually 11:09 p.m. and I'm getting ready to go out. So tonight I'm going to Rick Ross's album release party here in New York with my friend Tabby Dream Doll. So I'm just getting ready. I'm gonna do my face real quick and do something with my hair and head out because my nap, it was a little extendo, okay? But before we even get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below because I'm giving y'all videos each and every day until December 25th. So turn on your bell notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so as I mentioned, I am running late. I'm running very late. So I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick. I'm doing my basic 10-minute makeup look, so I'll link that up above if you guys want to see, but I'm just gonna zoom past this. Okay, so I'm about to head out. I combed my hair out into this fro because I didn't have time to do anything. But it looks good. My hair is just so freaking long now. And I am wearing my Chanel domino earrings. This black tear dress. I got my deodorant on it, so I have to clean that when I get to my friend's house. My Errands watch. Just nice little dainty accessory. And then I'm wearing my Chloe boots. And I don't know what jacket I'm gonna put on, but I need to go now. So I'll see you guys when I get there.
Yeah. Okay. Lil CC on the beat. Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. Thought my raps were the facts till they sat with the bars. I got two phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a watch. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them what I working back with a little dope. You ain't at the game courtside, you a little bro. I shit when I turn heavy, who know how much time it get you? Yo, bro, say the shit out of here. We got it.
Yo. Your girl slept with her makeup on. If you know me, if you know Kendra, if you know Kensthetic, I never sleep with my makeup on. So y'all know how lit I was last night, okay? Y'all know how lit I still am. But last night was so much fun. Like, shout out to Rick Ross. Make sure y'all stream and download and purchase his new album, Richer Than I Ever Been. Last night was insane. But we had so much fun. We had too much fun, honestly. And yeah, your girl slept. I woke up to pee just now. I said, oh, I slept with my makeup on. But honestly, let me see what time I got home, because I literally feel like I just got home. I left my friend's house at 6:50 a.m. That means I got home at like 7:30 a.m. We had so much fun though, I will say that. So yeah, I'm about to get up, wash my makeup off. Oh, today's December. I didn't even greet y'all. Good morning, you guys. Today's December 13th. This vlog will be in collaboration with my facial and everything else, because I literally have to get up and get ready to go in a few. I have to go downtown to pick up a pair of sneakers, and then I have to go to Cynthia in Brooklyn. So I'm gonna be a city girl today. But yeah, girl, so lit. Why am I so lit? I tell y'all I feel like shit. I feel like shit. But I'm in the city right now because I have to pick up a pair of sneakers. So I'll show you guys. But I feel crazy, like crazy. I don't even know how I left my house today. It's literally a miracle. I brought my camera, but I forgot my SD card because, you know, my life is just it's just shambles today. So I'm vlogging on my phone because, you know, the party don't stop, okay? So yeah, let me go now. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I feel way better. You guys, I don't know who I thought I was, if I thought I was the Hulk or who, but I had Casamigos, 42, and Azul. Like, girl, if you wanted to finish your night, you could have just went home. You didn't have to do all of that. So I was drunk, which is why, you know, I had a good amount of clips, but after a while it was all a blur. So yeah, I had so much fun at the party, at the album release party. And then I got my facial yesterday. I went to Cynthia Aesthetics as always, and I told you guys that I forgot my SD card, so I had to vlog on my phone. And honestly, like, the way I was feeling, I was so sluggish. Like, I have never had a hangover that bad before, and I don't wish that on anyone. So I wasn't really in the mood to vlog, but I just recorded clips as I, you know, was able to. So I got my facials. You guys can see skin is glowing. We did extractions, and I did her new revitalizing laser treatment. So this one is 5 steps instead of 4, and she said I'm gonna experience like some peeling slash flaking. So yeah, that's what we did to my skin, and I look a mess. Okay, so this is the end of the vlog. I picked up the Cool Gay 11s that I told you guys about yesterday. I'll show you guys how they look. So this is the box, and then you open it up. And ooh, these are the sneakers. Ooh, ooh. So fire. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about how I cop sneakers, I did a video about that like last year, so I'll link that up above and down below so you guys can check that out. But literally, like, everything I said in that video is what I do. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. This vlog was kind of short, but I got more vlogs coming for y'all. And I also decided, so initially Vlogmas was gonna be a mix of like sit down videos and vlogs. I think with everything going on, like my work schedule and stuff, I'm just gonna give you guys vlogs until the 25th, or I'm gonna try my hardest to just give you guys just vlogs, since that's what you guys seem to be enjoying. So yeah, if you guys are looking forward to sit down videos, they're coming soon. They're coming soon, I promise, but just not right now because your girl is busy. So it's just easier for me to just, like, you know, vlog throughout the day, put it together, boom, post it up. So yeah, that's the update. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys did, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm posting each and every day until December 25th, so make sure your bell notifications are on, period. Drop a comment down below, let me know your thoughts on anything included in today's video, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later.